Hello everyone. Up for sale is my 2014 Victory Cross Country. I bought it new in Evansdale, Iowa, and have had it ever since. Got 27,608 miles on. I'll show you here in a little bit. I came off a Kawasaki ZX-14R, absolutely insane road rocket. Wanted to slow down, have some bag space. Definitely got that with these bags. A little dirty, I apologize. I fly for a major airline. I posted the bike, I don't know, a week or two ago and just haven't been able to clean it. It's still not as clean as I'd like it to be, but I need to get current pictures and video out for everyone that's taking a look at it. Have had a lot of requests for updated pictures and video. Disclaimer, I'm not a video person. I don't post videos to social media, so apologize for my hatchet job here trying to make this for you all. Had a little storm last night here in Queen Creek, Arizona, near Phoenix. Driveway's destroyed. It's just dirty. Spent about 2 hours cleaning the pool this morning, so it's getting hot outside and I'm trying to get this done, so bear with me. Anyway, back to the bike. It's no accident history, never been an accident. Original paint. Paint is, I would say, nearly perfect since new. I find it very easy to maintain. Anyone that purchases the bike would be happy to share my secrets with you after 7 years of ownership, but it's in great shape. Got the Arlen Ness Rad 3 teardrop mirrors on it. I bought those with the bike. Various little upgrades through the years. If you want to know all those, please read the description in the ad. Everything's in there. If I forgot something, I'll add it as time goes on. Clockworks tinted 11-inch windshield. Find that perfect for me. I'm 6'1". Maybe a slight buffet right at the top of the helmet, unless I sit kind of back or I have my backrest on. I have a rider's backrest and a passenger backrest with this bike. Again, that's all in the description. Please read through that. Everything is in there. I will forget something as I'm trying to do this video. Like I said, I'm not a video expert. Added the highway pegs. I found those at J&P Cycles in Iowa. I think they're fantastic. They fold up. I like to leave them down like that. Fork seals were new last November. They started to leak, so that was the first time, only time I've had those replaced. These lower wind deflectors, those are actual, the shape is actual Victory product. The original ones were plastic, clear plastic. They cracked fast. Spider cracks everywhere. I think they're junk. So I took that off and traced the template onto a sheet of thin, I think it's steel, and just painted it black. So these are much stronger. Obviously a few rock chips there on just the hand spray paint job that I did, but they work great. They reduce a lot of that buffeting. If you're familiar with Victory, you know exactly what I'm talking about. A lot of information on the forums. If you want to know if this is an okay bike, call a friend, get on the forums, look around, see what's available. Not saying this is the best bike out there, but it's been taken care of well. Like I say, I fly for a major airline and I'm used to things working right, good maintenance, so forth. And I like toys. So you've seen the wife's bike over here. That's not for sale yet. She's considering a Spider, and I am trying to find a KTM 1290 super adventure bike. Hard to find here, a new one anyway. That's what I'm switching to. It's my phone on the Rockform motorcycle mount. That thing works awesome. Holds the phone super still. Got a wire there, ran down the bars into the charging port. Charges at a fast rate. I have removed the AM/FM stereo that came with the bike, so it no longer has AM/FM. It just has this Bluetooth streaming Kenwood. Again, the details are in the description. But this is what the phone or whatever device you have streams to. It connects immediately once it's paired and starts playing music. There's no selecting modes like you had to do with the dongle in the saddlebag. That's gone. It just connects. I find it very simple to use. Got volume up, down, track forward, track back, play and pause. That's it. Super simple. Less time looking around for things while you're riding down the road. I'll turn the key on here. 27,608 original miles. You can see it's 97 degrees at 8:55 in the morning. Bike has not been started for about 3 weeks. Did not start the bike this morning. That's a cold start. Like I say, it hasn't been run for about 3 weeks. Anyway, I love this bike because you get on, you turn the key and it goes every time. Every single time. No issues. New battery last summer. Batteries don't last long here in Phoenix. They last about 2 years. I've had a tender on ever since. That's something new that I'm trying here. I don't know if that's going to help the battery life or not, but in any event, it was new last summer. Fork seals I mentioned, the exhaust I mentioned, de-baffled original exhaust with the Flowmaster tips on. Great note at highway speed, sounds fantastic idling. Again, if you know anything about these bikes with the standard exhaust, they sound like a sewing machine when you get it. I put up with that for about a week before I de-baffled and have been riding this way for 7 years. What else? Let's see. Forged bars have been on there since I bought it. So I bought it with a heated seat, the forged bars, the Arlen Ness Rad 3 mirrors, the rider's backrest, the driver's backrest. Still have both of those. Those come with the bike, and I have all the original items that came on the bike. The original handlebars, the original round chrome engine crash guards. This is the original seat. I switched to it just to see if it had a different ride. It does. It's a little bit different than the heated seat. Don't need the heated seat here in Phoenix, so I took that off. Everything's still hooked up. It's just a simple plug-in, change the seat out, 1 bolt, done deal. Video's getting a little long, I know. Like I say, I'm not an expert. But I figure the more you can see, the better that you can make a decision, and the more questions may form that you can ask. Bike was tipped last November. Embarrassed to admit that, but it happened. Stupid parking type thing. Bike was not moving forward or backwards. It tipped to the right. And that is this one area of sin right here. I haven't found someone to match that. This is the second video I've made. The first one got interrupted, so I don't know if I mentioned it, but I've been trying to find someone to paint it here. I consider buying a new bag. But as I understand it, there were 3 or 4 different paint lines when they built the bikes, and I'm not sure what shade I'm gonna get if I buy a new bag. And I hate to buy a new bag just because that little area is messed up. Everything else that had a scratch on it has been replaced. Mainly this cover here. I bought that new. Parts are still available and will be for the next 5 years. Aftermarket parts, I'm sure, will be out there forever. Popular motorcycle, of course. I think I mentioned this also, but the slogan used to be, ride one and you'll own one. And that's what happened to me. Went on the demo ride from the ZX14. Just went on a demo ride with this one day, and next day I bought it. Been riding ever since. It's just time for a change. I love the bike, and I may keep it. I don't know. We'll see how the sale goes. But as I mentioned, clean title. It's all paid off. Just would rather not have 3 motorcycles to maintain once I get the KTM. Just no sense in that. But wouldn't mind keeping it around to ride on those days. You just want to go on a nice, relaxing road ride. Anyway, that's my bike. 2014 Victory Cross Country, 27,608 miles. If you have any questions, please pass them to me. I will get you the answer, and if I can't find the answer, I will find somebody who knows the answer. My name is Sean, Queen Creek, Arizona. It's my 2014 Victory. Thanks for watching.